Back in May, Adobe introduced the Firefly family of AI models with beta version of Photoshop. Adobe Firefly Generative AI lets users add, remove, or expand context based on the original images. And most important part is that all that is not disruptive and it requires a single text prompt. Well, it's a while since May there has been an update, but now Adobe has worked on the Firefly AI models to offer more upgrades. With the Adobe Firefly Beta, you can now generative expand feature. It will enable you to expand and resize the picture which works completely seamlessly. It's easy to resize the image using the generative AI feature of Photoshop Firefly. First, you need to drag the crop tool to the expand the canvas. Then click on the generator button on the Photoshop contextual taskbar. That's it. The Photoshop will fill the blank space with AI generated content that blends seamlessly with the existing image. This is an attack on the mid journey. Firefly is a major advantage is that the prompt feature now accept more than 100 language. This is good for creators around the world, especially before the AI text prompts only work with languages like English.